Today, I will explain how to crop the signal source using LED vision. Cropping is used when we only want to display a specific area of the image coming from the computer. First, open the debugging software, Setting, click on Screen Configuration, and enter the authorization password, 168. We will use the canvas as an example to set up an environment for cropping the video source. First, ensure that the EDID matches the video resolution provided by the computer. Before cropping, we need to know the coordinates, x and y, of the area, and then crop the signal source accordingly. Modify the starting coordinates based on the part that needs to be displayed. Once the settings are applied, the cropping is complete. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you, everyone.